when I let go and just hold on. Love you, Dad. Be safe there, okay?
She wants you to
Don't
come here and see the.
let anybody just take you money, okay? And your phone too. Love you, Dad. Goodbye. I hope you drive safe. Love you, Dad. Remember what I said, okay? Love you, Dad. Goodbye.